Okay, well, tonight when I was changing my oil, after I changed the oil, I found that I had this little black chunk of something in in my oil pan, in my oil drain pan, and it scared me that maybe because I'm driving the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan with that click, and I was concerned that that might be a chunk of metal from the camshaft, and so I got this magnet and came up to it, and the magnet does not seem to attract it. And in fact, it just broke apart. I don't know if you can see that it just broke apart. So I'm believing that that's a little chunk of carbon deposit instead of a chunk of camshaft. So I'm going to continue on with my experiment with the Valvoline Restore and Protect combined with frequent changes of the Valvoline Restore and Protect and the Fram XG11665 oil filter. That's it.